In this video, I'll show you how to download and install a VPN on your Sony Smart TV. Step 1. Check your TV's operating system. If your Sony TV runs Android TV, you can install VPN apps directly. If not, you'll need to set up a VPN on your router or use a smart DNS service. Step 2. Open Google Play Store on your Sony Smart TV. Press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Google Play Store. Search for your preferred VPN app like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark. Step 3. Download and install the VPN app. Select the VPN app from the search results. Click Install and wait for the download to complete. Step 4. Open the VPN app and log in. Launch the VPN app from your Apps menu. Enter your VPN account credentials. Connect to the server location of your choice. Step 5. Start using your VPN. Once connected, your Sony Smart TV traffic will be routed through the VPN. Enjoy geo-unblocked content and more privacy. Alternative method. Set up VPN on your router. If your TV doesn't support VPN apps, set up the VPN on your router. This way, all devices connected to your Wi-Fi, including your Sony Smart TV, use the VPN. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.